Just give us a quick background of this case.
So this is a case involving someone who sued the government. He had married his husband overseas, sued to have his marriage recognized in Hong Kong, lost in the lower court, lost on the appeals court. Now it goes to the Court of Final Appeal, which is Hong Kong's highest court. Hong Kong has, over the past 5 years or so, had a series of rulings in favor of LGBTQ rights in various things such as inheritance, housing. Most recently, there was a case in February. The Court of Final Appeal ruled that a government requirement that transgender people needed to undergo surgery before they could change the gender markers on their ID cards. The court ruled that that was against the Constitution. So we do have signs that courts are willing to make rulings in cases related to equality that go against what the government wants.
Do you think, what do we know so far in terms of the global, this as a global issue? Is Hong Kong alone in this sort of, in addressing equality rights? Where else are we seeing?
Well, in this part of the world, there are very few places where where same-sex marriage is recognized. There's Taiwan, and then after Taiwan, there's pretty much no other place until you get to Europe. So there are several places in Asia where this is a live issue in addition to Hong Kong. Most notably India. The Supreme Court in India is currently considering a case. It's likely to rule later this year. In Japan, there have been 2 lower court rulings that have found that bans on same-sex marriage are unconstitutional. It's unclear when that might make its way up to the Supreme Court, but it probably will. Here in Hong Kong, most likely this case, the hearing is today. We won't be hearing what the ruling will be for at least a few months.